Just left Korat Nakhon Ratchasima. On our way to Buriram. We are in ISAN. This is northern Thailand. Everyone doing the train. Real authentic, genuine stuff. A lot of locals. So we got a few foreigners mixed in. Thought you would enjoy it. We are now in Thanochira. We are in ISAN, the provinces of northern Thailand. When I say provinces, I mean like countryside, but we got some cities mixed in. Who said train travel is not fun? Exciting. There you go, everyone. Lewis, Washington, D.C. Hope you enjoy it. Provinces of northern Thailand. Check it out. You can see the city here. Northern Thailand, on our way to Buriram from Korat Nakhon Ratchasima. Sawadee-kap. Hello, sawadee-kap. There you go, everyone. Enjoy. Very lush, very green. It's hot. It's always hot here in Thailand. You got the vendors selling food, drinks, whatever you want. Sawadee-kap. Sawadee-kap. It's yummy. Sawadee-kap. Alright, Lewis, Washington DC, everybody. Enjoy.